Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 6 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, exam or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and both are shown on the screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Create range name for cell B4, B5, B6 and B7 based on the names located in A4, A5, A6 and A7. Okay, question number 1 is completed. Use the name manager to delete the net income name range. Use the name manager to delete the net income name range. Okay, name manager, delete net income name range. Delete this. Okay. Question number 2 is completed now. Question number 3 is that replace the cell references in the function located in cell B10 with the appropriate name range. Okay, cell references B4 plus okay, create cost plus variable cost per unit multiplied by unit output. Okay, then press enter. Okay, will be shown. Next question is that create a new worksheet name range. Create a new worksheet. Right click on this name range. Type range name in cell A1. Type range names in cell A1. Name range cell A1. Name range cell A1. Try this. Okay. Type location cell B1. Okay. Insert a list of range name used in columns. Formula in the worksheet in cell A2. Insert a list of range name used in formulas in the workbook starting cell A2. Use in formulas. Okay. Paste range, paste all. Okay. Auto fit the width of column A and B. Format auto fit column width. Okay. Double click on column A. Okay, first we select this format and auto fit column A and B. Okay. This question is completed now. Now moving on to question number 5. Beginning in cell C14 of the budget analysis worksheet, complete the series of substitution values ranging from 450 to 1200 in increments of 150 horizontally across row 14. Beginning of C14, then output series beginning of C14 and go 450, 150 to 1200 and rows, select rows then click OK. Okay. Insert a reference to the sales revenue in column B in cell B15. Okay, insert references. Okay, column B2. Okay, is equal to then sales revenue. Then click, then press enter. Okay, it will be shown. Okay, then insert a reference to the expense in cell B16. Click on B16. B is equal to B. Okay, done. It shows. Insert a reference to the operating income from column B and column B17. Okay, question is completed now. Now moving on next question. Next question is that create a one variable data table for the range before to H17 using the unit output from column B as a row input cell. Okay. Create a one variable data table to the range B14 to H17 using the output from column B as a row B14 to data, go to what analysis, go to data table. Okay, row input is that column B is a row inputs are column B and column B6. Okay, column B this is input row. Row input cells column B6. Then click OK. Its question will be done. This is done. You can see here. Now moving to question number 8. Apply the accounting format to the range C5 to H70. We will have to select this range C5 to H70. Then we will apply accounting format. First we select this range. First we select this range and then we will apply accounting number format. Okay, C15 to H17. Okay, apply custom number format to the cell B15 to display series revenue. Okay, apply custom format, go to custom, then go to general and then apply semicolons, matrix comma semicolon. Okay, then sales revenue. Okay, then click OK. Okay, apply custom format to the B16 the expenses. Click on cell B16, go to number group, go to custom, then go to general. Okay, then tap customer format expenses and click OK. Apply customer format to cell B70 display operating income. Click on cell B6 B17 and click on number group, go to customer format, click on number group, go to customer format, go to general. Okay, then tap customer format operating income. Okay, this question is completed now. Beginning in cell B21, complete the series of substitution values ranging from 35 to 45 in increment of 2.50 vertical down column B. Okay. We click on this, go to series group, go to column, click on column, then increment of go 2.50 to 45. Okay, then click OK. This question is completed now. Now insert a reference to the operating income from column B in B20. Insert a references to the operating income from column B in cell B20. Click on here. Reference is that operating income is B11. Okay, then it will be point. Question is completed now. Now moving on next question. Next question, question number 10. Create a two variable data table in the range B20 to H25 using the unit output from B column B as the rows input cells, as the sales price from the column B as the column input cell. Okay. Select first range B20 to H25. Go to data tab. Go to analysis. Automatically go to data table. Column input cell is that column input cell is that B6 and column rows input cell is B16 and column input is B7. Okay, click OK, then it will be done. Apply custom number format to the range B format to the cell B20 display operating income. Apply custom number format. Click on cell B20. Click on cell B20, then go to number group and then customer format, then go to general and type operating income. Apply customer, go to home, go to number group on B20, go to custom, go to general. Okay, then type custom format operating income. Operating income. Okay, this question is completed now. Now question number 11. Question number 11 is just perform a goal seek analysis to determine what the sales price in column B needs to be if you wanted to operating income in column B to be $3,500. Accept the solution. Perform a goal seek analysis to determine what is sales price in column B. If you are operating column in column B to 3,500, accept the solution. Okay, sales price in column B. Go to data tab, go to what of analysis, go to goal seek. And B need to be, if you want to column B to 3,500, to value is $3,500. Okay, then this set cell B7, then by changing cell is B11. Okay, then change cell B11. B needs to find you want to operate income. Okay, changing cell is set cell is that B11 and changing cell is B7. Okay, then okay, it will show this value. Okay, you can see I have done 11 questions of this exam. For remaining question you want to do for complete course quizzes exam, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shows on PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quiz and complete course. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and more. Thanks for watching my video. Best of luck.